In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Warframe Multiplayer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, the only prerequisite to be able to play online multiplayer is to pause the game, press escape or press start, and make sure that your session is set to public or friends only. If you are playing solo, you aren't going to get mashed up against other people, so you either have to be on public if you are playing alone but you want to be mashed with other multiplayer people, or friends only if you want to queue up into a squad with only your friends. If you want to invite your friends, all that you have to do is go over to the communication tab, click friends, and select add friend. You are going to be able to include their name over here in a message and send them a friend request. They will be able to accept this over here on the friend list. And once both of you are added, you will be able to invite them to a squad, so click this option, the plus sign, and invite them to a squad. Afterwards, queue into any raid or mission and you will be mashed together on multiplayer. Just make sure that they are on the same squad as you, or if you are queuing alone, as long as your session is set to public, you are going to have the option to be mashed with other people. I won't be able to demonstrate that in this video, but that's all you have to do. Make sure your session is either open or friends only. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Warframe Multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.